Carrot juice is a delicious and nutritious way to get your daily recommended intake of vitamins and minerals. But did you know it can also have tons of health benefits? In this video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits that carrot juice has to offer, from weight loss to cancer-fighting properties. And stick around until the end for a special bonus, our secret way to make your carrot juice even healthier. Carrot juice is jam-packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin K1, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. All these nutrients are essential for maintaining good health. Additionally, studies have shown that regular consumption of carrot juice can help reduce inflammation in the body as well as improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. It's also rich in antioxidants, which may help reduce oxidative stress associated with chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Carrot juice also contains powerful compounds known as carotenoids, which are beneficial for skin health and may even help protect against sun damage. Plus, it's incredibly low in calories, making it an ideal beverage if you're trying to lose weight or just maintain a healthy diet overall. Here are some of the top health benefits of carrot juice. 1. Improves vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. 2. Boosts immune system. Carrots contain antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage. This, in turn, helps strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of diseases. 3. Improves skin health. Carrot juice is high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Number 4. Promotes weight loss. Carrot juice is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to any weight loss diet. Lastly, supports digestive health. Carrots are high in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Now, I bet you're wondering how to make the perfect glass of carrot juice that's both delicious and nutritious. Well, you're in luck! Our special carrot juice recipe is sure to satisfy your taste buds and help you reap all of the amazing health benefits that carrot juice has to offer. Adding some fresh ginger into your carrot juice not only adds flavor, but can enhance its healing properties too. Here is our special carrot juice recipe. Ingredients: 5 to 6 medium-sized carrots, 1 orange, 1-inch ginger root, and a half of lemon. Instructions: wash and peel the carrots, then cut them into small pieces. Peel the orange and separate it into segments. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Squeeze the juice from the half lemon. Add all of the ingredients to a juicer and blend until smooth. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of carrot juice. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to try our special carrot juice recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.